Hey guys, welcome to the new series. In this series, we will talk about CGL Combined Graduate Level Examination 2019 Tier 1. So the exam date is 6th of March 2020. It is an original paper and the sole paper, and exam time is the first shift 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. So we will start with the general intelligence, and so here we start with the very first question. Select the letter that can replace the question mark in the following series: A, E, I, space Q, U. So A, E, there is a difference of three character: B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, three character difference. Then I, J, K, L, M. M is the correct option. So option third is the correct one in this. सो मूव टू द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन. चार शब्द दिए गए हैं जिनमें से तीन किसी न किसी तरह समान हैं और एक असमान है. उस असमान शब्द का चयन करें. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज सेक्सोफोन, सेकंड इज जाइलोफोन, थर्ड इज शहनाई, फोर्थ इज तुरही. सो द ऑप्शन सेकंड इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन, जाइलोफोन. Move to the third question. In a certain code language, DQQX is written as WPJC. How will AFKP be written as in that language? ZUPK, ZVQL, ZTOQ, ZUQJ. So you can see the code is given as D is equal to W, as D is the fourth character from starting and W is the fourth character from last. So in the same way, A is equal to Z, F is equal to U, K is equal to P, and P is equal to K. So option first is the correct option. Move to question 4. Four number of pairs have been given, out of which three are alike in some manner and one is different. Select the number of pair that is different from the rest. 11:1:1, 17:289, 15:250, 13:1:9. You can see then the square root of 11 is 1:1, 17 is 289, and 15 is 225. So the third option is the incorrect one. So it is the odd one in this. So move to the question number 5th. Which two signs should be interchanged to make the given equation correct? 12 plus 81 minus 27 into 9 divided by 3 equal to 36. So we will use the two sign exchange as the first option, like 12 minus 81 plus minus 20, divided by 27. 27 divided by 81 is 3. 12 minus 12 plus 3 into 9 minus 3 is equal to 36. So the option 1 is the correct option in this question. Move to the question 6. ज्योतिष शास्त्र का तारों में जो संबंध है वही संबंध सस्य ज्ञान का है. का डैश से है, भावनाओं से, फसलों से, खानों से और ग्रहों से. सो सस्य विज्ञान का संबंध किससे है? फसलों से, एग्रीकल्चर रिलेटेड एक्टिविटीज़ और एग्रीकल्चर. Move to the 7th question. In a certain group of a man and horses, the total number of legs in 14 more than twice the number of heads. How many horses are there in the group? So option 5, 11, 7 or 9. So in a certain group, man and horses, the total number of legs is 14. So 2 legs is there for the man and 4 is for the horses. Then the total number of legs is 14 more than the twice number of heads. 14 more than the twice. So how many horses are there? 7 horses are there, in which 28 legs and 7 men to whom there were 14 legs. So 7 is the correct option in this question. Move to the question number 8. Select the letter cluster that can replace the question mark in the following series: A, D, J, C, J, Q, E, J, O, then space dash I, P, W. You notice one thing, that there is a sequence of 2 characters were left out in every certain characters. So A, D, J. So move to A, C, E, the very first character of the table given. A, C, E dash I. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So G will be the first character of this series. Then D, G, D, E, F, G. 2 characters missing: D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. So M is the second character. So the same way S will be the third character. So option fourth is the correct option. Move to question 9. 4 letter clusters have been given, out of which 3 are alike in some manner and 1 is different. Select the odd. First is BJT, second is FBL, third is DDP, fourth is GCB. So BJT, letter cluster, 4 letter clusters alike in some manner, out of which 1 is different. BJT, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. So there will some character missing, and it is in. So you notice there were a sequence was followed. So the fourth option is GCB is the correct option in this question. Move to the question 10. Select the figure that can replace the question mark in the following series. You notice JMQV. So the very first option is given AB, then A, BA and B. So you notice the question mark or the arrows were moving in anti-clockwise direction. So the first thing is the arrow will be in the upper direction, and then JM, J, KLM, KL 2 space, M, NO, P, Q 3 space, R, S, T, U, V 4 space, then after V there will be a 5 space, V, U, V, X, Y, Z, A, B. So B will be the correct option in this. The option fourth will be correct. Move to 11th question. Read the given statement and conclusion carefully. Assuming that the information given in the statement is true, even if it appears to be at variance with commonly known fact, decide which of the given conclusion logically follows from the statement. Some machines are kite, no machine is a pigeon. Conclusion is some machines are pigeons, all kites are pigeons, some kites are not pigeons. So on conclusion third is follows. As some machines are kites, so no machine is a pigeon. So some machines are pigeon is a incorrect. All kites are pigeon, that is incorrect. So the no machine is pigeon. So some kites are not pigeon. So option 4 will follow, because kites are not pigeon. As mentioned in the statement, no machine is a pigeon. So move to question number 12. A plus B means the husband of B. A minus B means B is the sister of A. A into B means A is the mother of B. A divided by B means B is the son of A. If P plus R into T minus Q divided by S plus U, then how is P related to S? So the options are paternal grandfather, maternal grandfather, uncle or father-in-law. So option second is maternal grandfather is the correct option. Move to question number 13. 3 different positions of the same dice are shown. Select the symbol that will be on the face opposite to the one showing. Hashtag, @ or $sign, percentage sign, star or @. Then hashtag, plus or percentage sign. Options are $, hashtag or star. So which will be the opposite to the one showing plus? So you notice that there will be hashtag in the first book, hashtag, @ and $. So in the opposite side there will be a plus sign over there, as percentage will be corresponding to hashtag or over the adjacent faces of the hashtag. So we will take hashtag and percentage on the very left hand side, and in the percentage side there will be a star. So star will be A star is hashtag is equal to A star will be on the opposite side. So for plus there will be @ sign. So option 2 is the correct one in this question. Move to question number 14. Select the option in which given figure is embedded. Rotation is not allowed. So the very first question, when you look, there's a triangle in the very first figure given. So you can easily go through this question and you can easily find that a triangle is there and on that triangle is a dark circle. So option A is the correct option in this question. So move to the question number 15. Study the given pattern carefully and select the number that can replace the question mark in it. 23, 5, 110, 56, 9, 121, 49, 3, 77. So 56, 23 and 49 or 5, 9 and 3. So you have seen the number in this question. The option 77 is the correct option. 7 and into 11. So 77 is the correct option in the option 4. You need to calculate it with the help of the given data. Like 22 into 5 is 110. 55 into 3, then in the same order. Then move to question number 16. Select the number that can replace the question mark in the following series. 5 into 5, 10, 26, 122 and 170. So option is 50. In a certain code language, page is coded as 161495. How will part will be coded as it in the language? So the page will be given as in the code 16132420. The option 4. Study the given pattern carefully and select the number that can replace the question mark in it. 15, 3, 24, 21, 6, 30, 49, 5 and 88 is the correct option in this question. Move to the question 19. Select the number that can replace the question mark in the following series. 62, 66, 74, 90. Then 4 is increasing in this. Then after 8 is increasing. Then after 16 is increasing. Then 32. 122 is the correct option. Option 3rd. Arrange the following word in the logical and meaningful order. Quadrillion, quintillion, million, octillion, trillion. So arrange it. Million is the first one. Then trillion. Then quadrillion. Then quintillion. Then 4th is octillion, 6th or 8th. Move to the question 21. Select the option that depicts how the given transparent sheet of paper would appear if it is folded at the dotted line. So the option is 3rd. When you place that picture on the given, you have seen that in the first shape 21, the question shape, the arrows of the triangle, the half triangle arrows will be made at the center. So when you folded it, the center line will make a cohesive. So the option 3rd is the correct option. मूव टू द क्वेश्चन 22। उस विकल्प का चयन करें जिसमें शब्दों का आपस में वही संबंध है जो संबंध नीचे दिए गए शब्द युग्म के बीच में है। उत्तर दक्षिण, देन नुकम्बा चढ़ाना और मुस्कुराना, नुकम्बा चढ़ाना और मुस्कुराना, दे आर द ओड वन। Then move to the question number 23. How many triangles are there in the given figure? Then it will be, you need to calculate. The option 3rd is 25. In the when given Venn diagram, the rectangle represent traveler who like travel by plane, the circle represent traveler who like to travel by bus, the triangle represent traveler who like to travel by train. So the number given in the diagram represent the number of travel in the particular category. So how many travel like to travel either by train or plane but not by bus is 30. Move to question 25. Select the correct mirror image of the given figure when a mirror is placed on the right of the figure. When the mirror is placed on the right of the figure. So in the mirror image, the blank side of the circle will be there. So the very first option is the correct option in this. So here we complete the first part of the CGL Tier 1 of General Intelligence and Reasoning. We will continue this series for the further videos. Thank you.